Menyar Pastor, I'm busy with your project here since I told you that I liked your voice. So, ke busy ka yona no. Kopa o tlohelle fela hore ke dira yang o. Kopa o tlohelle fela. Ke squares akere ke Terence, ke squares. Hey. This mouse doesn't want to work. So once but so far let me do like this with a hand. I'd be able to see or I cannot give what you want. But like I think according to you, it nice too much. And you got not full mara since come creatively, it will give something. I'm your buster. Umpia like one touch. One of the good days if nga swara. Ke tla ba bontsha hore ke mang. Like unkgatla since ke tsena mo industry a senga go bana le batho ba tsebo go bela straight like batho ba ileng gore ba kgone to reveal and they can write ba dlala ka di emotions wa bona. So nna ke nna motho la soulful ke tsa ke ratile voice ya gago wa ngopelela Menyar Pastor. Wangkhwata from the pina tsa gago bo miniskirt bo thulanana was following you. So since ke fihla mo o bolela ka gore o need someone ka go direlang pita ka re this has to come to an end ban sanje ke mmone this guy a kana chelete mara truly speaking a kana chelete mara wa nkgahla serious o bereka ka mogho ileng gore nga bela anga kopana le nna ngare ya EP ka beke ya o chela utlwela. It's for you, Menyar Pastor. It's for you, Menyar Pastor. Hey.